In this lesson, you will learn how to ask for, give, and accept a business card at professional events. You'll also learn some useful tips to help you network and use social media in English. At the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident in making good connections with professionals, both face-to-face and online. How do we exchange business cards in the US? It might be very different from how cards are exchanged in your country. Here are some guidelines that will help you exchange cards in an appropriate way. Listen to this conversation.
So where are you from?
Seattle.
Seattle. I'm going there on business next month.
Really? Why don't we get together for coffee?
Great. Is there a way to contact you?
Why don't I give you my card?
Perfect.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Is this a good phone number to call you at?
Actually, email would be better.
Excellent.
And do you have a card?
I do. Here you go.
Oh, your office isn't too far from us.
Perfect.
Let's listen to the conversation again, but this time we will stop and ask if you can remember what expression comes next.
Great. Is there a way to contact you?
Why don't I give you my card?
Thank you very much. Is this a good phone number to call you at?
Actually, email would be better.
Excellent.
And do you have a card?
I do. Here you go.
Oh, your office isn't too far from us.
Now let's look at some guidelines for giving and accepting business cards. In the US, it is not so common to exchange business cards right at the start of a conversation. We often do it near the end of the conversation. Wait until the other person asks for your card before giving it. You can also create an opportunity to exchange cards by asking the other person about the best way to contact him or her. If you really want to give your card to someone, you can ask permission. May I give you my card? Keep your cards in a card case rather than a wallet. You can give your card to the other person with either hand. Give the card so that the other person can read it. When you accept the card, look at it for a moment before putting it in your case. You can make a comment if appropriate. If you receive a card, offer your card in exchange. What do you do if you don't have a business card when someone asks for it? Let's watch.
Here's one of my business cards. Please feel free to reach out to me in Seattle.
Thanks, I will.
And do you have a business card?
Sorry, actually I don't at the moment. I'm getting some new ones printed, but they weren't ready before I came.
That's okay. How about you write your information on the back of one of these business cards?
Now let's look at some useful language for exchanging cards. We can use these phrases to create an opportunity to exchange cards. What's the best way to contact you? Is there a good way to reach you? Here are phrases to ask for and offer a card. Do you have a card? Why don't I give you my card? Here, let me give you my card. May I give you my card? Here's my card. And these are phrases that you can use as you give a card. Here you are, and here's mine. Now let's take a quiz to review what we've learned.